For somebody who has their hair up 99% of the time, I'm absolutely obsessed with this Tide Away hair dryer. It literally takes minutes for me to dry my hair, when usually before it would take anywhere from 15 to 20. This is gonna take me like 5 to 8 minutes to dry my removable magnetic nozzles. Just a handful of settings. So you've got the cold cycle, the warm cycle, the hot cycle, and the hot cold cycle, which is awesome to give you that multiple temperature cycles. What I love about this too, it's gonna emit those negative ions. So that's really gonna help with the anti-frizz while also giving you that extra shine. I'm obsessed. Make sure you grab your flow, the link in the TikTok shop.